Chapter 6, perfect tense for verbs of coming and going. They are also called motion verbs, like to run. You move from one place to another one, from one location to another one. That's called a motion verbs. But verbs of coming and going are probably better because this is easier to remember. Now, in English we say, if you have the verb go, we say he has gone, right? To drive, he has driven. Now in German we know gone and driven is gegangen and gefahren. But look what happens when we have a verb of coming and going. So in English we use has, right? In German we say ist gegangen, ist gefahren. The translation is the same. He has gone, he has driven. But verbs of coming and going use the verb sign. That's what they use, and they conjugate it, okay? And you also learned that verb to be a little while ago. So how do you say, I have driven by car? So we use sign. The form of sign for ich is, ich bin mit dem Auto gefahren. I have driven by car. The verb of sign for du is, du bist mit dem Auto gefahren. Sie, es ist mit dem Auto gefahren. Wir, the form of wir is sind. For you all, it is seid. And for they, it is sind. Sie sind mit dem Auto gefahren. So you see, I told you before, all these conjugations you learned initially, they'll show up in one form or another, just with a different meaning. So, when we have verbs of coming and going, we use the verb sign, and we conjugate it. We conjugate the verb sign. And we add the personal endings. All right, so the past participle remains as we have learned it. Different forms of it, that never changes. The only thing that changes is the conjugation of the verb to be. Ich bin gefahren, du bist gefahren, ist gefahren, wir sind gefahren, ihr seid gefahren und sie sind gefahren. Now, I gave you the different forms of a whole bunch of motion verbs which you'll find in your book, but I wrote them out so you remember. So fliegen, ist geflogen. Gehen, ist gegangen. Werden, ist geworden. Sterben, ist gestorben. Bleiben, ist geblieben. Sein, ist gewesen. So the verb to be has a perfect tense also. And that is one most people don't remember. So that's why I highlighted it a little bit. All right, passieren means to happen. Ist passiert. Reisen, to travel. Ist gereist. And this one is a regular verb. It ends in T. Wandern, ist gewandert. He has hiked. And this one is also a regular verb that ends in T. So most of them have en endings, but some of them are regular verbs and they just end in T.